AI is not the future of finance, it's the present. And right now, there are two types of people, those using AI to build wealth and those getting left behind. Which one are you? Today, we're talking about how AI is transforming finance and how you can use it to your advantage. What AI is doing in finance. AI is changing the game in ways most people don't even see yet. Right now, AI can automate bookkeeping and tax prep, analyze spending and cash flow instantly, predict financial trends, help you find funding opportunities faster. What used to take hours now takes minutes. Why this matters for you? Here's the reality. If you're still doing everything manually, you're losing time, money, and opportunities. Businesses using AI are cutting costs, making smarter decisions, scaling faster, and the gap between those who use AI and those who don't is getting wider every day. How to start using AI today? You don't need to be tech savvy to start. Here are 3 simple ways. 1. Automate your finances. Use AI tools for bookkeeping, budgeting, and expense tracking. 2. Use AI for business decisions. Analyze your numbers, don't guess. 3. Marketing and lead generation. Use AI to create content, emails, and ads faster. Start small, but stay consistent. The truth is simple. AI won't replace you, but someone using AI absolutely will. So the question is, are you adapting or staying stuck? If you want a list of the best AI tools for finance and business, comment AI below or check the link in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear this.